There's been a progression in the craft beer market from traditional bottled beer, and more recently more craft beer is going in cans, which are traditionally this size. But some of the more imaginative companies are looking at different beer options, and this larger can size is very popular. But also you can see that the people have really thought about the design here. You know, the generic aluminium can be decorated to a really high degree by using a clear on clear label, which gives that impression of the printed can, but of course without all the cost of, you know, the high run of buying a printed can. So yeah, we're seeing the craft beer market develop in lots of different ways. Yeah, this is a company called Weird Beard. They're very well known in the craft beer market, and they almost come up with a different brand a month, and some of their designs are really, really good, and they're very creative and are doing very well.
As you said, that's ideally suited to digital technology, isn't it? And you design every month. Yeah.
And another company, this one called Electric Bear, which is a Bristol brewer. They wanted stuff that really stood out with bold colours. They have a range of products, and again, the Domino strength is in producing big bold colours. Its abrasion resistance and its UV stability is perfect for this type of stuff, and Electric Bear have really gone from strength to strength, and on the shelf these really stand out.
Because of the craft market, it drives designs. It allows you to be original. So each individual beer has got a different recipe, it's got different character, it's got different boldness. Digital allows them, especially on the Domino, to match that quality. So each beer that they brew with a different batch number, we can match it. So they can have original artwork for that design. So what we did here, this is a like-for-like sample. This was printed flexographic. The depth of the colour has changed, the blackness is a lot stronger. We've added a finish over the top to make it more coarse. So it's little things like that. It's the exact same artwork, but if you compare the two, the depth of it has changed. The quality of the print, the fine definition.
You said the colours are more striking.
The colours,
well,
exactly.
Yeah.
So what they do is, a lot of them have a core range, so they keep the designs the same, with little subtle differences, like the colours here, for example. One problem that they had here with Brewery was the depth of the colour with the Ferrari red. They couldn't quite colour match it. With the Domino, we have 7 colours. We hit 90% of the colour gamut, you know, so we can get the colour on exactly spot on every single time.